Hey guys, so today I'll be teaching you how to make slime. So for the ingredients, the things you'll be needing is something to mix with practically. Context and solution. I'm just using Renew. It should have borax in it, boric acid in it. Some baking soda. I'm just gonna show you a bit of this right here. And of course some glue. Or optional, you could use food coloring or any scented things. So first, I already mixed up some glue in here. But yeah, there's some glue and some body wash, Dettol body wash in here. And I was actually not filming, so damn it, girl. Like, I wasted my time. So yeah. Then you're gonna add in, so I'm already done with that, so we have to move and add in some baking soda. And you're gonna mix that up. And then we're gonna add in some Renew or context and solution. You could use borax, but I don't want people to use borax because it could hurt your hands. I guess you watch the news, right? Yeah, I guess you do. I don't watch the news. I just found this information. Oops. Yeah, I did. I found this information. Yeah. So we're gonna add in more of the baking soda, and it's up to you if you want to add in sparkles or anything. Hold on a second. So you could also use pigmentation. I love pigmentation. Maybe I'm gonna add in a bit right now. Maybe using this makeup palette. No, I'm not wasting makeup. It's spoiled. I don't use it anymore because it's spoiled. Yeah. So I'm gonna use, should I do, okay, I'm going to just go with some glue. Oh my God. Okay, that was a really scary fly. Does a nice blue do? It may turn out ugly and not nice right now, but it'll become nice after you make it. Oh my God, it's becoming so long. Oh my God, this vid. It's too long, man. It's too long. Just gonna hurry because I don't think y'all guys would watch it to the end unless, I don't know. Comment down below if you watched it to the end. Yeah, no, it's still. Ooh! Okay, it has a texture, but not quite it yet. The next video, I'll be teaching you guys how to make jiggly slime. And I'm probably gonna post, I don't know. Comment down below when I should post. What day? Mostly. Cause, yeah. Oh my God, it's okay. No, I have to hurry. Just gonna squeeze out. Okay. It's becoming slime. Okay. And if you are too you don't want to wait anymore, you can just take your hands and start playing with it. And it will become slime. I'm 100% sure. Like this. Let's just keep mixing and hurry because it has been 5 minutes, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna keep mixing. Okay, I think I'm actually gonna take it out. Make sure nothing is there. Oh, shit. Sorry, guys. I'm sorry I had to use that word. Yeah. Yeah, that word. If you're fine with it. Girl, I'm fine with it too. Okay. Yes, and you want to mix it up. And make sure after you make the slime, you have to keep it in an airtight container. And make sure you close it properly or not, it will dry up. And I'm pretty sure it will because, yeah, that my first time making slime, I didn't do that. I just left it out thinking it would magically not dry up, but it dried up. So just don't do what I did. Just don't. Then you got your slime, and this is super stretchy. It's just I love sticky slime. Unless you don't like sticky slime, you could add in some contact lens solution and see, it's not gonna be sticky anymore. Oh my god, it's 10 minutes mostly. Usually do my videos 4 minutes or 1 minute short, but this is too long, and this is definitely pokeable. It's just I have humongously long nails, so not so pokeable for me. So if you want to see another video for jiggly slime, then you have to comment down below. And just so after the jiggly slime, what slime do you want next? And yeah, comment that down below and I'll do what you say. Peace.